Adding Google reviews to System.io is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can add your Google reviews in the System.io. So for that you have to be at your browser and you need to search for outside. So if I click on that, it will take me to this page. Now here I have to go to this website, which is outside.com. Now here you just need to go to your widgets and it will take you to this page. Now here you just need to search for Google reviews if you can't see this on this page. In my case, I can see it, so I'm just going to click on that. Now the new page should be loaded, which will let me build a Google review for my Systemeio. So I need to select any of the template that I want to do. You just need to select it according to your choice. You can also edit it as well. Now suppose I want to add this one, so I'm just going to click on that and I'm just going to click on continue. And now you just have to, search for the place that you want to do. So for that, you have to go to your Google Maps and select the location. You need to copy the exact name and paste it right here. What it will do is it will search the exact location from your Google Maps to your Google reviews or add it to your Google widgets. So you just have to, add to website for free. If I click on that, after that, it will take some time to load. And after that, you'll see this page. Now you just have to click on publish and it will, want you to either start it with the basic. So I'm just going to select free. After that, you just have to, copy this code. Now you can simply paste this code anywhere you want. You can put it in Shopify, your Systemeio, you go about it. It totally depends on you. So that's how you guys can add Google reviews in Systemeio. Hope you guys find this really helpful.